Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and in this video, I'm going to do top 10 yoga moves, my favorites. I found an amazing, beautiful spot at my local beach. Having a wonderful, peaceful setting to do yoga is really important. You need to get into that yoga spirit. I'm a complete beginner at yoga. I've been doing it as part of my fitness journey, and I really like it. So I found a really great spot. I put my mat down, and time to get started. My first move is the easiest. I like to begin and start with this one. It's called seated with your hands on your knees, and you mentally prepare yourself. Think about all the beautiful things in life, like maybe birds playing in the water, and have your own thoughts. It is going to stretch out my upper thighs and get me ready for the next move. And the next move is called the tabletop. It's my favorite move because I do a lot of recipes on my channel. So you just envision your back holding your favorite meal. And from the tabletop, go into the cat pose. The cat pose is like, you know, when a cat's really scared of the other cats and they put their backs up. So pretend you're a freaked out cat. Every one of the poses you're supposed to hold for a while, but you get the idea. From meow meow kitty cat, we do the cow. We extend our neck, look up to the sun, and arch our back. And if you're all alone, you could say moo. Nobody's gonna give you a ticket. Moo, moo, moo. But hold it, and you're gonna feel the stretch all through your body. It's so easy. We're gonna stay in the animal kingdom and do a downward dog. So you put your feet like this. You're supposed to get your heels flat on the mat. Well, I'm just not really stretched out at this time, so that's very hard for me. But I'm trying. It's very strenuous. Don't be fooled by how easy it looks for me. It's not. At this point, you might want to take a break. Let's talk about my outfit today. I got it from YogaClub, and I love it. It's my second outfit from my subscription service. I go through a lot of yoga pants and leggings, and I want to look good no matter where I'm at, because you just never know who you're going to meet at the beach, like puppies. Life can be full of surprises, so I want to look my best. I went on their website, and I chose the kind I liked, which was a full top that was, you know, kind of covering a lot of skin, and the same with the pants. I could wear the pants down like that, but I don't want to. I need to cover up. And with every subscription box, you get at least 3 pieces. And with this one, I got the cutest little cover up. Last time I got red, white, and blue, and this time I got a floral pattern with really pretty colors. I've rested enough, time to do the next move. We're gonna bridge into the next move, which is this. Try to get your seat up. Not easy. Yoga is definitely a challenge for me. But with anything new, you just got to keep at it. They say new habits form in 3 weeks. So this needs to be my new habit. Time to stand up and do the samasta. This is the easiest unless you're dizzy, which I frequently am. In the samasta, you're supposed to close your eyes, but it doesn't work for me because I get dizzy. I'm just gonna hold and talk to you at the same time. And from the samasta, we do the swan dive. Up goes our hands, up goes our head, and you kind of pretend you're gonna dive into the pool, but you really don't because all this below me is sand. This one feels great. It's a great stretch. I feel it from the tips of my hands all the way down to my toes. Wow. I hope you follow along. You could have this playing on your iPhone next to you and cheat. And just do what I do. It'd be fun to do it together, so make a comment and tell me what you think about this. What's your favorite pose? So from swan dive, we go into swan dive 2, which is just what you do if you were thinking there was water below you and you were going to actually do it. I'm not. So we hold that for a little bit. And then you do swan dive 3, which is really like a bow for all your performances today at the beach. My heart is actually racing from all of this. Believe it or not, it works for cardio too. So to finish the dive, we're gonna do the forward feet hold. You put your feet hip width apart and go and hold your ankles. And try to keep your knees straight, but that's really hard to do if you're out of shape like me. I can really only get down to my calves. I just have to tell you. please comment and give me support. And from this pose, we do the twist, which is we go up with one hand on one side and hold it, and then up on the other side and hold it. What I really have to say, sometimes it's better to look good than to feel good. And with Yoga Club, I'm looking good, I think. Click the link below and check out Yoga Club and get your subscription. You can cancel it at any time. It's really affordable. They have all the designer names. The clothes they send you are about 1/3 the cost of the clothes at a retail store. It's an amazing deal. Check out the labels I got on this one. They were all high-end labels, and they carry a ton of lines that are highly recognizable, supreme luxury labels. The quality of the garments are amazing. It's made with the most high quality materials. The detail is so great. Check out on these leggings, I have this little mesh thing down below. It lets in a little more air and it's super stylish. I love this look. Besides yoga, I love this for workout wear. I love to go for a walk on the beach after I've done yoga, and this outfit doubles for both. I can put the top on if I want to cover up more, or let it go if I'm getting warm and need more cooling air. It's fun to play with the dogs wearing this. I mean, I think that black is going to cover the little black puppy dogs or even some of the dirt. Yoga Club guarantees everything you get, and you get to choose what styles you like, which is what I love, because you can change them at any time. First I went with the red solid pants, and this time I wanted to go with a print. And I'm asked also if I like my first shipment, in case you want to tweak it for the next. It's exciting because they tell you when your next box is shipped out. Click the link below to get your Yoga Club subscription. If you like this video, click my other fitness videos. They're a lot of fun, and there's another one on yoga too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep making great videos like the ones where we're actually doing something to feel better and hopefully to look better. See you next time.